What's wrong? Is that dog in your room? Who's that dog? What's wrong? You got a dog in your room? You don't like dogs in your room? Aw, you don't like dogs in your room. Did he leave? Are you still there? What's he doing? He keeps running back and barking at you? He's wagging? You tore this pillow apart. You made a mess. He's staring you down. Oh, he's staring you down. He's Bischoff. Hey, Casper. Thought you couldn't argue with yourself. Step that old dog in the mirror. You don't like it. Oh, you gotta give him a kiss. How sweet is he, too?